In this video I will show you how to use the presence check and why you should use it. The presence check makes it very easy for you to make sure that one or more similar parts are where they are expected to be. The biggest advantage for you is that you can mark multiple regions without having to take lots of reference images for each OK and not OK situation. Now let's have a closer look on the presence check and how it works. Once you've trained your tool, it will probably work for your target on that exact lighting situation. But every environment has small variances regarding light and brightness. So there are basically two ways of optimizing this. The first one would be to make sure that you have a stable, reproducible lighting situation, which is always recommended in image processing. The second one would be to add a few more reference images in different lighting situations to increase the variance of OK images. At the end we can say try to get a reasonable variance of OK and NOK situations without going too far, and try to get your lighting situation stable. We have already configured the setup for a good image and trained our locator on the target. To configure the tool, select the third step, Analysis. Now you can add a tool by clicking on the Add Tool button. In this dialog you can choose which tool or application you want to use. In our case we will use the presence check. The tool is added to our inspection program and is ready to use. The presence check comes with a small wizard to guide you through the quickest way to train the tool. The first step is to add a reference image. To do this we start the loop mode and place the BNI in a suitable position. When you are happy with the image, you can add it as a reference image. Here we need to define all the regions where we want to search for the same objects. Once we have finished drawing, click Next to go to step 3. Here we need to define which of the regions in the displayed image are OK and not OK. You can do this by simply clicking on the region. Once we have completed the OK and not OK definition, we click Next to proceed to step 4. To start training, the tool needs at least 3 OK regions and 1 not OK region. In our case, we have enough regions for training. We can decide if we want to add some more reference images, which will make the algorithm much more stable. This is a huge advantage for the usability of such tools. This means that all regions must be exactly the same size. In our case, the regions were already the same size. If they are not, the training algorithm will realize them for you. The new regions will be shown in the UI and your original regions will be gone. At the end we can say try to get a reasonable variance of OK and NOK situations without going too far, and try to get your lighting situation stable.